Tired of your project management system feeling as rigid as a brick wall? Let's transform it. First, create a project in Asana for your desired workflow. Think of it as the central hub for all related tasks. Now, break down your project into clear sections. These represent the different stages of your project lifecycle, like to do, in progress, and completed. Here's where the magic happens. Add custom fields to your tasks. Think priority, effort, status, anything relevant to your workflow. This adds crucial context to each task, making tracking a breeze. Next, set up rules to automate repetitive actions. For instance, automatically assign tasks to a specific person when moved to the in progress section. Link related tasks using dependencies. This way, if one task is delayed, dependent tasks are automatically adjusted, keeping your project on track. Leverage milestones to mark significant progress points. Visualize these in the calendar view to ensure you're hitting key deadlines. Finally, use Asana's reporting features to track progress and identify bottlenecks. Gain insights into team performance and project health at a glance. And just like that, you've unlocked the power of dynamic Asana. Adapt, evolve, and conquer your projects with ease.